Guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use your credit balance in a Temu app, guys. So let's get started. So first things first, what I need you to do is I need you to open up the Temu app or visit their website and just log into your account, to access your credit balance. Next, guys, I would just want you to browse the app and add the items you actually want to purchase to your card. And once you've selected everything, guys, just tap the card icon to proceed to checkout. Now, on the checkout page, you'll see, your credit balance listed near the payment options. Okay. So what I need you to do, so to apply it, you need to look for a checkbox or an option that says something like, use credit balance or apply balance. You just select this option and the credit amount will automatically deduct, from your total. And if your balance doesn't cover the full cost, guys, you can actually pay the remaining amount using your preferred payment method. Okay. And then finally, guys, I just need you to, review your order details and confirm the payment. Your credit balance will be used for this purchase and you're all set, guys. That is how simple it is, to use your credit balance in Temu, guys. So I hope this video helped you out. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button and subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions so I can see you guys next time.